Welcome back. Today we will show you how to add a USB-C port in. Here we use a USB-C female port with 4-pin out, compact and easy to handle, also very cheap. I'm planning to remove 2-pin DC input that is not used at all, grinding some plastic and making way to squeeze tight fit the new USB-C port. Perfecto. I have used some glue to seal the gaps on the edges. Prep the pads. Solder back to trimmer. Test the charging state. Now this trimmer has a USB micro and USB-C charging ports, making it convenient to use and charge with any available mobile charger. If you like the idea and video, like, share, subscribe and comment what model trimmer you are using and the charging type on it.